Alright, another video that's probably been made before. So, this is my wife's car, and we drove it through a touch-free car wash. It's supposed to do no damage, right? Well, this chrome trim here, which might get a better view back here, I just got finished polishing it. It's not perfect, but it was a lot worse. You can see, if I can get it to zoom, maybe not, there was some cloudiness here, a significant amount. Oftentimes, acid from the wheel cleaner gets mixed in somehow, I'm told, to the wash system, and it can etch this chrome plastic. So what do? Well, I started with a wet sanding kit starting at 500 grit, and I just went along and I touched it. Now, I'm good with this stuff. You might want to mask yours off if you're concerned. You can always polish out the paint, which you're going to be really doing anyway with all the steps involved here. The next thing I'm using is a Meguiar's foam, nice and comfortable, I guess, polishing block with a hook and loop 1000 grit pad on it. Again, this is all wet sanding. That one, this came out of a headlight restoration kit, which I quite like. Again, I just touched maybe about 5 minutes, 10 minutes for each 500 and 1000 grit paper on the trim. And then I moved to a 3M headlight restoration kit. Starts out with I guess a medium coarseness cutting pad, R0132 apparently, and some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This is my go-to for basically anything car polishing related, except for their show car glaze, which I use once in a long while when I really want to get into something. So the next step after that medium pad is their polishing pad, again with the same Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Once those two things are done, you're going to want to protect the trim somehow. Mine came out 85% of where I want it to be. I could pay someone to do this and pay really more than I could ever want to pay someone to do something like this, and they might get it perfect, but this looks good from 10 foot away, and my wife will be thrilled that this side is now fixed because I did the other side about a year ago. So it costs probably about 40 bucks to do all this, 50 bucks, and it makes a big difference when you shine up your car and your chrome trim pops. So you can do it. I would recommend masking it off if you've never done it before, and just take things slow. But it's something that really helps a lot, like headlight polishing right here. So I can do that in a different video, talk about that. I know a lot of people do those videos. The chrome trim is something that might not be as well covered. So there you go.